माय चैनल। अभी मेरे रूम में हैंड डालनी है तो बाहर जाके फेस क्लीन करेंगे। अभी मम्मी पापा से नहीं मिली बिकॉज एवरी मॉर्निंग वंस आई गेट अप आई जस्ट मीट एवरीबडी इन द हाउस बिकॉज दैट्स व्हाट वी डू, दैट्स अ पार्ट ऑफ आवर मॉर्निंग रूटीन है। So this is a very crucial part of my morning routine. If you have been following me, you must have seen in my earlier vlogs. मैं जब भी morning start करती हूँ, I always have this hot water या hot water tea. मैं कुछ ना कुछ इसमें spices डाल देती हूँ. And today I think I want to have कश्मीरी कावा, क्योंकि इसमें बेसिकली होता क्या है, whatever I like to add in my hot water in the morning, mostly I add cinnamon, ginger, turmeric, कच्ची हल्दी and sometimes lemon या ginger. मतलब I keep changing the combinations. And today I think I can have this. इसमें है कश्मीरी green tea leaves, cinnamon, cloves, cardamom, saffron and sugar. How drastically it is changing color. तो talking about Kashmiri Kawa, if you know I recently went to Kashmir और ये उस टाइम नहीं है, मैंने वैसे ऑनलाइन अमेजोन से पहले मंगवाया था. सो इफ़ यू वांट टू गेट योर हैंड्स ऑन दिस कश्मीरी कावा यू कैन चेक इट आउट on Amazon or I'll link it in the description box if I can find it. My tea is now ready. This was my tripod stand. अब ये जो बच गई है, डोंट थिंक आई एम गोइंग टू वेस्ट इट. मम्मी इसी में पानी ऐड करके और चाय पत्ती डाल के पापा के लिए चाय बना देती हैं. सो नो वेस्टेज. Oh my babies. Okay, so currently I am reading Think Like a Monk by Jay Shetty, and today what I read was, and it totally resonates with the video I'm making right now, this current routine, morning routine. Routines are not just about actions, they are also about locations in which those actions take place. There is a reason people study better in libraries and work better in offices. ओके, सो आई जस्ट फिनिश्ड रीडिंग अ लिटिल बिट एंड नॉर्मली मैं दूसरी बालकनी में रीड करती, बट आज आई वाज लाइक कि चल ठीक है, प्लांट्स के आसपास आई डू द वेरी काम डाउन वाली प्रैक्टिसेस लाइक ब्रीदिंग, जस्ट मेडिटेटिंग, वाटरिंग प्लांट्स एंड जस्ट सिटिंग हियर टेकिंग इन ऑल द वाइब. तो आज व्हाट आई रेड वाज कि एवरी लोकेशन हैज़ एनर्जी. आप जहाँ पे सो रहे हो बेडरूम में, उस जगह में एनर्जी हो जाती है कि वहाँ पे सिर्फ सोना ही है. वहाँ पे काम करोगे और फिर खाओगे भी वहीं पे, सोओगे भी वहीं पे. वो जगह कंफ्यूज हो जाती है कि ये किस काम के लिए है. चाहे छोटी जगह हो, उसमें भी ना डिवाइड करके रखा हो कि ये एरिया मेरा बैठने का है, यहाँ पढ़ने का है. पापा जैसे सिर्फ उसी जगह बैठ के न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ते हैं. उस जगह न्यूज़पेपर की ही एनर्जी है, पढ़ने की ही एनर्जी है. उस जगह बैठ के खाएंगे ना, खाने में मज़ा आएगा ना पढ़ने में मज़ा आएगा. मज़ा नहीं आया तो यहाँ कर लो. मैं तभी ब्रीदिंग यहाँ करती हूँ, दूसरी एक्सरसाइज अपने रूम में. That's what I learned. Like my study table is totally for my work. मैं वहाँ पे कभी भी YouTube, Netflix ये सब नहीं देखती, ना मैं देख सकती, मेरे से होता ही नहीं है. So my study table is only for study and work. That's it. And उस वाले बेड पे I don't sleep. I don't remember the last time sleeping there because उस बालकनी के साइड में डॉगीज बहुत भौंकते हैं तो नींद नहीं आती. इसलिए I just made this room, मेरे भाई का रूम, my bedroom till the time I have this luxury. So I sleep in my भाई का room and then I work and do all the stuff I have to in my other room. But for now I just need to do some breathing exercise एंड देन दूसरी बालकनी में जाके सब्जी वाले भैया को भी पकड़ना, बिकॉज दैट इज़ अ वेरी क्रूशियल पार्ट ऑफ माई मॉर्निंग रूटीन. Okay, so I know for many of us it's quite challenging to calm our mind and get in the meditating state, but what has helped me so far is especially तो जय शेट्टी की छोटी छोटी tips which I inculcate in my life, and मेरी लाइफ में मैंने already डाल भी रखे थे but without knowing the exact logic behind it. If you are having problems meditating, start taking deep breaths like this. Wait, I'll show you. So what you can do is place your left hand on your chest and your right hand on your stomach, and then take a deep breath on the count of for 4 seconds. Like 4 seconds inhale and 4 seconds hold the breath, and after that 4 seconds, पूरे 4 seconds or more you should take for exhaling that breath. I'll give you one example. रुक जा, 4 seconds नहीं हुए, रुको. This actually helps you calm down, and I've read this in so many places, so many books, articles, that breath work is actually your anchor and you should use it more often, especially when you are feeling nervous, anxious, and it definitely calms you down. I have been practicing this for around, I don't know, months now, and I started this practice of meditating and breath work back in France, in Toulon, when the lockdown happened. The virus just attacked the whole world, so that period was quite anxious. And I have to say, last night before sleeping I was watching my Vande Bharat mission ki videos, and I was so surprised that today it is totally like 1 year anniversary of that feeling. So I can relate कि उस time पे there was so much chaos in my head, in my mind, and I'm in a much better place mentally, physically as of today, and I'm so grateful that I'm in India with my parents. I can only imagine कि कितनी सारी चीज़ें चल रही थी उस टाइम पे दिमाग में. If you want to watch those videos again, or if you are someone who is new to my channel and have no idea what I'm talking about, I have a playlist with the name Vande Bharat Mission. You can go watch it. You will know what all you need to know. So I'll just keep you aside, let you sit down there, and I'll just do my breath work and then head to my other balcony. I know for beginners in the starting it can be very difficult, so give yourself a target of 5 breaths every day for like 2-3 days, and then move on to 10 deep breaths, then 15, then 20. But do this thing religiously and very consciously. Even if you are taking only 5 breaths in the morning, long breaths, 4 second wala system, and if you are doing this consciously and mindfully, it will do the magic it has to. And also, if it helps, try making this hand movement when you are doing this, because it kind of helps in just connecting with your mind and body. आज के लिए इतना ही बहुत था. Okay, so far I have shared what all I do in my mornings, but there is one thing which I don't do in the morning, which makes for a very crucial part of my morning routine, and that is not touching my phone at all until 4-5 hours after waking up. जब तक मैं सारे काम नहीं निपटा लेती, I just make it a point that I don't touch my phone at all, because waking up to notifications and checking your phone first thing in the morning is not something natural to you. It is one of the major factors which can make you anxious. So I just delete all those factors which can make me anxious first thing in the morning. So this is what I don't do, and I suggest try this. I know कभी कभी बहुत tempting भी होता है कि first thing in the morning phone side में होता है, we just turn on the net and just get to Instagram, YouTube and all the social media stuff. So try this every morning, एक दिन करके try करो, and you will see the kind of difference it makes on your mind, and the quality of your day will increase tenfolds. Okay, now that I have done a major part of my morning routine, so I'll just head to the kitchen and help Mama prepare some breakfast. वैसे उन्होंने बना लिया है, because breakfast में मैं कोई help नहीं करती, serving and eating. So I'll just go in the kitchen and help Mama serve some food, because मैं थोड़ा आफ्टरनून और शाम के बाद थोड़ा एक्टिव होती हूँ इन द किचन डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ कोर्स, बट उससे पहले झाड़ू पोछा बर्तन इनमें से किसी ना किसी चीज़ में आई हेल्प, एंड मेक इट अ पॉइंट यू ऑल्सो हेल्प, बिकॉज अभी लॉकडाउन चल रहा है एंड 1 या 2 जने के लिए पूरा घर संभालना इज़ नॉट द ईजिएस्ट. सो दैट्स व्हाट आई एम गोना डू. head inside, help mama. And I've made a few changes in my not in my bedroom, in my studio room, as I like to call it. Feeling tuna wali feeling. यहाँ ठीक है. क्या बन रहा है? बड़ी खुशबू आ रही है. आलू की रोटी है क्या? ये मम्मा का कौन सा तंदूर? कुकर तंदूर. पापा प्रेफर्स दिस प्लेट, और अगर किसी और प्लेट में दो उनको मज़ा नहीं आता. तो वन मोर एग्जाम्पल कि थिंग्स हैव एनर्जी एज वेल. तो इस प्लेट में पापा का पेट भरने की एनर्जी है. तो अब इस वाली प्लेट में प्रसादा भाई गुरु. Okay, so the time is around 9:40 in the morning. So I'll do my workout. Sometimes I include weights, and since it's been around 20 days since I've recovered from typhoid, so I took little steps one by one, छोटे steps. In the 15-minute या 20-minute workout होता था, but अब थोड़ा सा level बढ़ा दिया है. थोड़ी सी आवाज़ echo हो रही है is because I have removed the curtains of my room because I never liked them. And I have replaced them. यहाँ वाला वैसे curtain अभी आना है, so I have ordered that. It will take some time to be delivered, and it gives a very nice feel to my room. I keep my laces in a standard form, तो मेरे को बार-बार laces खोल के बांधने नहीं पड़ते. Saves a lot of time. On second thoughts, I thought of doing my eyebrows and upper lips, so I just did that first. Now I'm gonna sweat. Okay, so workout is now done. I'll just go hit the shower, and उसके बाद I'll get to my study table, work table, and then get the work started. And आज for the first time after like a month and a half, I did a little bit of core और थोड़ा बहुत flutter kicks and all that किया था. थोड़ा सा warm up initiative on the first day kind of. तो धीरे धीरे बढ़ाऊँगी. 5-10 से ज़्यादा हुआ नहीं अभी, तो धीरे धीरे बढ़ेगा. But I'm glad start तो किया. Okay, my breakfast is here, and normally I like to have one fruit somewhere included in my breakfast plate, and I also like to take some time to plate my food, because even before the digestion happens, when you put your food in your stomach, देखने से ही it starts. And I really like this feeling of, you know, when my food looks good. I started with making omelette, but I मतलब कोशिश omelette की होती है, अगर ना बने तो उसको scramble कर लेते हैं. तो बात तो एक ही, अंदर तो वैसे भी वो स्क्रैम्बल होके ही जाना है. सो आई एम जस्ट गोना हैव दिस. Okay, so after having breakfast, I start working, and around 4 to 5, I complete all the tasks I have lined up for the day. And for the morning routine, I would really like to, you know, just say one thing. One morning routine, it doesn't have to be like 6 a.m. or 6:30 for starters. You can start by reducing your time. 15 minute karke you can just reduce it, and then come to around 7 or 8 whenever you think ki itna time is sufficient for yourself, like properly, like your time, and nobody is distracting you in that time. So just figure that time out and wake up accordingly. मेरे लिए it's like I naturally wake up around 6 to 7. It depends, 6 a.m. 7 a.m. AM जब बर्ड्स का ज़्यादा शोर आए मैं उठ जाती हूँ. एंड आई इंटेंशनली मेक इट अ पॉइंट कि मैं अपने रूम में पूरे ब्लैकआउट कर्टेन ना करूँ. अगर ब्लैकआउट पूरा कर दूँ तो मुझे टाइम का कोई होश नहीं रहेगा. सो दिस इज़ वन वे यू कैन गेट योर बॉडी इन सिंक विद द नेचर. सो जैसे ही थोड़ी सी बाहर से लाइट आने लगती है मेरी नींद कच्ची होने लग जाती है. सो दिस इज़ हाउ यू कैन जस्ट inculcate small natural reminders which are happening out in the nature to affect and impact your body and mind, and you should be fine. And one more thing, in order for you to have your morning routine on point, you need to start preparing for that mentally last night. So intentionally you have to know that next morning you are going to do these things, and you have to complete these tasks. Make a list. I have a board right here and I just keep adding stuff on it. I have my marker handy, तो मेरे को जैसे भी कुछ भी याद आता है I just keep adding that. And before sleeping I make it a point कि इनमें से क्या क्या मेरी priority wise मेरे को complete करना है. So that is what I do next morning, so that next morning मेरे को tension नहीं लेनी होती अच्छा आज क्या काम था, and I have no motivation to wake up. These are the small things that I do which have helped me. और ये अभी नहीं, it's been around बहुत ज़्यादा महीनों से ये मैं कर रही हूँ. And some things तो मैं बहुत सालों से कर रही हूँ, like the journaling. I've been doing journaling, the gratitude journal for around 4 years now. 2017 के आसपास I started, and उसके बाद there was no stopping me. बीच में I have taken breaks like 1 महीना या 10-15 दिन मैं नहीं करती, and I know how badly it impacted me. So I have made it a point कि चाहे मैं सुबह करूँ, वैसे मैं mostly morning में ही इसको करती हूँ, but in case I skip the morning time, मैं उसको सोने से पहले ज़रूर करती हूँ. So gratitude, मेरे पास already 4 या 5 gratitude journals पूरी भर चुकी हैं. So it's a very good practice, and you should start adding one good habit at a time, और धीरे धीरे करके पता चलेगा that will be like a bundle of good habits in your morning or evening routine. Evening routine मेरा इतना कुछ expanded नहीं है, so when I'll have a set evening routine I'll make a video on that also. So that's it for today's video guys. I hope you liked it. It was kind of different for what I do normally. If you liked it, you know what to do. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell button, and leave your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll see you next time. Till then, you know what to do. Dream, hustle and explore. Bye bye.